Malacanang assures government assistance to Filipinos seeking justice after reportedly being subjected to abuse and humiliation in the ongoing crackdown on illegal immigrants in Saudi Arabia. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma stressed that it's the duty of government to protect the dignity and rights of every Filipino. Elena Luna tells us more.
Malacanang assured support for Filipinos affected by the crackdown of illegal immigrants in Saudi Arabia. If there are abuses, PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma Jr. is encouraging the filing of formal complaints.
Tungkulin po ng ating pamahalaan na ipagtanggol ang karangalan at karapatan ng lahat ng mamamayan kung meron pong sapat na katibayan na ito ay naganap at sila ay handang magharap ng formal na usapin. Tutulungan po sila ng ating pamahalaan at na magawaran sila ng katarungan sa kanilang sinapit.
According to Secretary Coloma, Filipinos have been working in the Middle East for 4 decades. It was heralded as a stopgap measure while dealing with economic adjustment problems largely brought about by the oil crisis.
Nagkaroon naman po ng operation of the principle of comparative advantage sa economics. Sila po ay may langis, tayo ay merong abundant skilled human resources, nangailangan po sila ng skill sets ng ating mga mamamayan. Kaya po ito nagpatuloy. This practice has flourished over 4 decades.
The palace official adds part of the government's program of inclusive growth is to create jobs in the country. In the president's speeches, he mentions this whenever he talks about economic growth.
Yan po ay isa sa mga layunin ng ating pamahalaan sa ating programa ng sustainable, long-term, inclusive growth. That we are able to create sufficient job opportunities, that we are able to create attractive job opportunities para po maging katanggap-tanggap ito sa ating mga mamamayan na kahit na meron silang option na tignan ang mga job offers sa ibang bansa, ay magkakaroon din sila ng clear option na magtrabaho dito sa ating sariling bansa at maiwasan na yung mga side effects nung pagiging hiwalay sa pamilya, pagiging hiwalay sa mga anak, at yung pagkasira ng maraming tahanan na konkretong naranasan na po natin sa halos 4 na dekada pagpapadala ng ating mga manggagawa sa ibang bansa.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.